Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. What I've got here is a replacement 10 metre hose gun and lance for the Nilfisk. The machine with the built-in hose reel but with the 90 swept elbow system. So what we've simply got here is a hose that once it's in place, if you ever needed to, you can actually change it. So this end is an end that's screwed in and that goes into your banjo of the hose reel itself. So it can be taken out at any stage and changed over. So you have a changing machine, you can change it. You'll also see at this side BSP thread, so we're using BSP, everything's standard, stainless steel lance. So a stainless steel lance, it means it always looks the same. If it won't start to go rusty inside like a normal lance that's steel, if you tap it you then get dirt into the nozzle side. You've got the 4-in-1 Vario nozzle on the system, high and low pressure, pull it backwards and forwards, or you can turn it to change the degree from a 0 degree out to a 40-50 degree spray pattern by just turning it. And that is also on high and low pressure, change the angle of the spray pattern. ST1100 SUTTNER gun, so just below the ST2300, but still a good quality gun for the system, far superior than the other guns out there in the marketplace. It can be done if you want it to be done with a swivel inside there, so they do the ST1100 with a swivel, so it could be swiveled to make it even easier. Quick release, anything else, we can do all sorts of different things you need to do, but the most important part is this. So it means you've always got, if you change your machine, the hose will then go to another machine. It's a rubber hose, it doesn't read, it lays flat, it lays straight, so as you untangle it, it just lays flat, don't coil up. One wire inside the hose, 250 bar rated hose, and that's what it's about on the system. So you keep your system, you keep your machine. If you ever change your machine, you might need to change the nozzle size. The nozzle part inside there, that unscrews, it's an Allen key as well, so you can just ring up and say M4 jet, can I have it in certain size, because my machine is 10 litres at 120 bar, so we'd send an 04 nozzle out. As long as we know the litres and the pressure, we can send it out. That is the most important part on any pressure washer. Make sure you get your right size jet for your pressure washer, the litres and the pressure bar. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube.